All right, guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be most likely upsetting a lot of the old school die-hard Ford fans who think these cars need to be kept stock and they're only good in their complete stock form, stock colors, stock air filters, stock exhaust, suspension, wheels, all that kind of stuff. That is not me. If it is you, fine. That's what you like, but it's not me. So if that's you, shut your eyes because you're probably going to be upset when you see what color I'm painting my engine block. So let's cue the intro and then get stuck in preparing it for paint and painting it.
Now I gotta ride or die.
All right, guys, full disclosure, before you watch the rest of this video, I am going to be painting the engine block without doing a full strip down in this video. So that means the sump, the head, the oil pump, all that kind of stuff is staying on. So don't be shocked when you see me do that. But here is how I did it. All right, so the first thing that I had to do was remove the trigger wheel. Now, that was pretty straightforward and easy because I only just put it on and I haven't yet torqued it on. I also need to remove the crank positioning sensor, and that was a little bit fiddly because I didn't want to remove the sensor from the bracket because we'd already set it in the bracket where it needed to go. Now, I did hit the block with a bit of degreaser. I have already cleaned it with a wire brush and degreaser, but I wanted to make sure that I just got anything left off it because it has been sat in the shed for a while. Now, you may laugh or cringe, I don't know, and I don't really care. But here I am just masking up the block with some tin foil. Tin foil is really, really good to mask up things that are an awkward shape because you can mold it to fit. All right, so pretty easy to do, a little bit fiddly, especially in the wind, but eventually got there. And here we go, fluoro green paint. It actually kind of looks the same color as the paint that came on the Mark II Focus RS. And there you go, guys. That is painting your block without doing a full strip down. Happy days.